How Amazon sellers can use AI to rank products and boost sales. Welcome back to the Elite Automation channel, your go-to source for e-commerce news, trends, and tips. Artificial intelligence, AI, has become increasingly popular in recent years, with many businesses adopting AI technology to improve their operations and boost sales. Amazon sellers are no exception, and there are several ways in which they can use AI to increase their sales and improve their overall performance on the platform. One way in which Amazon sellers can use AI is through product listing optimization. This involves using machine learning algorithms to analyze product data and identify patterns and trends that can help improve the performance of a listing. For example, AI can be used to identify the most effective keywords to include in a product title and description, or to determine the best pricing strategy for a particular product. SEO-friendly Amazon listing titles, descriptions, and ideas. AI can help e-commerce sellers with product descriptions and product title ideas by using machine learning algorithms to analyze data on consumer behavior and market trends. This can help sellers identify the most effective keywords and phrases to include in their product titles and descriptions, as well as the best formatting and layout for these elements. Incorporating the right keywords and phrases into product titles and descriptions can be especially important for Amazon sellers, as this can help improve the ranking of their products in Amazon search results. When customers search for products on Amazon, the platform uses an algorithm to rank and display the most relevant and popular products. By including relevant keywords and phrases in their product titles and descriptions, sellers can increase the chances that their products will be displayed prominently in Amazon search results, which can in turn increase the likelihood of a sale. Customer personalization. Another way in which AI can help Amazon sellers boost sales is through customer personalization. By using machine learning algorithms to analyze customer data, sellers can create targeted marketing campaigns and personalized recommendations for individual customers. This can help improve the customer experience and increase the likelihood of a sale. Inventory management. AI can also be used to improve inventory management for Amazon sellers. For example, machine learning algorithms can be used to analyze sales data and identify trends in demand, allowing sellers to better predict future demand and adjust their inventory levels accordingly. This can help sellers avoid running out of stock or overstocking, both of which can negatively impact sales. We foresee many software, SaaS businesses being developed around this concept, as well as AI-powered product repricing tools. Order fulfillment. AI can also help Amazon sellers streamline their order fulfillment process. For example, machine learning algorithms can be used to analyze data on shipping times and costs, helping sellers to identify the most efficient and cost-effective fulfillment options for their products. Product sourcing. AI can also be used to help Amazon sellers identify new product sourcing opportunities. By analyzing data on consumer demand and market trends, sellers can use machine learning algorithms to identify potential new products to add to their product line. This can help sellers stay ahead of the competition and tap into new markets and revenue streams. To summarize, there are many ways in which Amazon sellers can use AI to boost sales and improve their overall performance on the platform. By adopting AI technology, Amazon sellers can stay ahead of the curve and remain competitive in today's rapidly changing e-commerce landscape. To get started with your own automated Amazon FBA store, get in touch with us here at Elite Automation. Don't forget to subscribe to our official YouTube channel for more helpful e-commerce tips.